so I did put the new Mac valve on before we go out and test here. I saw your guys' comments. Yes, I knew the stud had come out. So unfortunately, this is the second time a stud has wiggled its way out of the manifold. You look down here, I've actually put a crush washer with I think that's brass or whatever you want to call it, fitting on it there, so that shouldn't come out. But what we're doing now, before we even go out, is I'm testing the wastegate. You block off the top of the wastegate, and I'm putting 50 PSI, which the most we need to make is 30. I'm putting 50 PSI in this thing right now. Put that in there like so, and then press this thing full of air. Nothing, no leaks. Now watch when I let go of this though. It's holding pressure, guys. So the top wastegate's good. We just gotta test the bottom yet, and if that's good, and this Mac valve doesn't fix it, I'm not really sure, because it used to hold 30 PSI and everything else has been tested and fixed, and it wouldn't make any sense.
Supra day here. What are we doing?
We are going to Mexico quick because we're about to test the car again, as you guys saw there. It looks like we have no boost leaks. We've got a brand new Mac valve. I don't know what else. I hope this fixes it. If this doesn't, I'm literally lost for words, and I'm just going to sit down tune and go, what else could it be? Because the manifold has no cracks. There's no exhaust leaks. I don't know. So this better fix it.
Set it on fire.
Set it on fire. Collect the insurance money and run.
Oh, we almost got hit though.
Well, they're turning. I'm just waiting.
All right, so we'll see you in Mexico.
Holy shit. Oh, god damn it. That hurts. 1.2, the target's 30. Jesus Christ. Holy fucking shit. Holy god damn it.
Who are we calling out now again?
Oh my god. We're racing everybody. I'm fucking... Oh, actually, no, baby, it's okay. Thank you for being good. You didn't blow up. There was not a rod through the roof today. Thank you.
Through the roof?
Through the fucking hood. Okay. Good girl. That's a good girl. Who's a good girl? All right, now get daddy home. We're going to go make a heat shield now, because apparently we know it's the fucking Mac valve that's causing us problems.
Ryan hit me up and said, hey, my car's not hitting target boost. And I was watching YouTube, and the Boosted boys were on the dyno with Hondaroo. And they weren't hitting their target boost either. And it's like, well, let's mess with the Mac valve. So they changed some duty in the Mac valve to put it like to max. Nothing. So I'm like, Ryan, I have an extra Mac valve. Couldn't find it. So Night Run Garage sent him one. Shout out to Chris. And we put that on. Well, Ryan put it on. And now what happened?
All to boost.
All to boost. And I might actually have to call John and be like, John, can we take a little duty cycle? Because it's hitting a little bit more than I want it to. It's hitting 31.5, which I'm probably over 900 wheel horsepower now. Like, you would hit 882 on the dyno at exactly, well, it was 29.8. Now I'm 2 PSI over. That's roughly 20 to 25 horsepower on the dyno. We're over that, so I'm hitting over 900 wheel horsepower now. I'm probably close to 800 foot-pounds of torque. The rods aren't going to be happy. So I literally just turned down the boost. I turned down the boost. We're gonna log in on level 3 here and see how it goes. This is on level 3. I'm 29 still on level 3, John. Turn it the fuck down. That's too much. Holy fucking shit.
My stomach hurts.
Oh my god. Too much, John. Take it the fuck down, John. We need to slow this bitch down just a little bit.
Holy fuck.
Holy shit. Holy fuck. Tony, Stansacker Media, you better bring all the boost to this motherfucker is fast.
I'll tell you, I'm not racing him now.
Oh, Jesus Christ. It's a world of difference. I'm only on E70, by the way, guys. Anything over E55, we're Gucci, we're good. So it's making all the power now. I look like a caveman looking at this video right now. But yeah, we're good. And now we gotta go make a heat shield for the Mac valve. Because of where I have it placed, it is seeing a lot of heat. So when we get back to the house here, I'm gonna talk to Colt. And he's gonna talk about making a shield for it and fix all this. But yeah, I'm ready to go back. Maybe try street speed again. That would be my goal. Because he beat me so badly, and I only sold 21, 22 pounds. Like another 8, 9 PS. Like he can admit, like it's retarded.
It's
fucking,
fast.
It's fucking stupid. I mean, yeah. Well, go talk to me. Get the house. I'm sitting here drinking beer, so I gotta explain it.
Ryan's the usual Keystone in his hand.
Keystone.
So Ryan was having problems with some boosts, and it was the Mac valve. I had watched a video on YouTube that the Boosted Boys put up. They were having the same issue, and the duty of the Mac valve wasn't to its full potential. Like, Ryan, throw a Mac valve on it. And what's he do? Gets a Mac valve, puts it on the car, and
after all that testing, it was good though to check for boost leaks and stuff, which we did find.
oh yeah.
But yeah, that's what it was.
But the failure of a wastegate is slim to none.
Yeah, right. Yep, absolutely.
But we got her fixed up. A little scary.
It went a lot. It made a little bit more boost than it's supposed to.
It was a little fast.
That if I would have held on to it in fourth gear, if I'd have held on to fourth gear and went, because I let out at 6,600. If I'd have went to the 75, 7,600, it would have made 35, 36 pounds of boost, which would have been 1,000 horsepower. And then we would have saw a rod go right through the hood of that car. Would you look at that, Jimmy?
So what's next?
I guess I got to build a block next, which I don't really want to do, but anyone want to sponsor a car?
Or sell it and buy a Viper?
Yeah, I could use a Viper. Viper would be nice.
What do you think? Viper?
Nah.
No.
No one wants me to sell this thing. I would love to keep them on. I just don't make that much money.
Then you got this one.
Bunch of body work done by Senor.
This guy did some body work. Let's take a
Go
look.
show the body work. Go over there and tell him.
Come on, Colton. Looking all purty. What'd you do to this thing?
Well, somebody before did some body work that was pretty bad, so a lot of sanding, putty, filler primer, more sanding to get it where it's at now.
So before, the natural color of the bay, you couldn't see the imperfections, but with one solid color, you can find your high spots, your low spots, and whatnot. So how much you got left to do?
Probably about an hour, hour and a half.
She's ready to go. Time for some paint. This guy. Someone come get their man.
Welcome to the
YMCA. We gonna close the video out?
No, we got a lot more to record yet. Shit.
Oh.
All right, guys, so back in the garage here now. You guys get to see everything. Sorry for my reaction. Sorry for all the cursing. I was like on another level yesterday. We were having a little too much fun. So yeah, I apologize for that. But again, if you guys can see, the Mac valve is down there. Colton's working on a heat shield. It's going to work something like, if you guys have ever seen the Evo, and I forget which, what is it? The crank angle sensor, I want to say, is up above, like on the head for those. Instead of like down for a Supra, it's down below. I want to say that's what it is. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But there's a sensor that's right there by the hot manifold. They just make this generic like titanium little plate or aluminum little plate that protects it. So what we're gonna do is the same as make a little aluminum plate. I went ahead and ordered DEI gold heat wrap too to put around it to help deflect any bit of heat we can. Now, if that doesn't work, then I'm gonna move it back up here. I had it up here for years, but I do not like it. But I want to reiterate too that this has been down there for 5 years. So if it just now failed, okay, that does stink. It now failed after 5 years, but I put a ton of miles on this thing. This thing's been to Ocean City. It's been that thing has seen more heat than Any other electronic usually would, so if that's perspective for you. But we're just gonna be precautionary, and if this turns out well, we're gonna be selling them, or Colton's going to be, so you guys can buy some of those. I also wanted to show you the engine bay again. Colton has been working on it a little bit more here, trying to get it smoothed out as best as possible. Just going over it more just because we have some time. It just hasn't been picked up yet. Travis has been really busy. You know, it's just, that's the way of a body shop. So I don't ever press him or do anything. So I'm just happy the way everything's turning out. So I'm kind of excited to see what it looks like when it's all said and done. Again, it is really dirty right now. So yeah, when it's all done, it's gonna be looking perfect. I'm also still using my iPhone, which I'm actually starting to really fall in love with just because everything focuses really quick and the quality's been pretty awesome. As you can see too, Sean's car is now gone, and I forgot how much I liked having extra room. It has been quite nice. I still do have the engine back there, which I would like to sell. If someone would like to pick it up with the trans, everything as is. I don't feel like taking it apart, but if I do, you're gonna pay a little bit more because I gotta put some work into it and I just don't feel like dicking with it. But if you guys do want that, I still have that. I got some other random parts too I need to sell that are under here. Like I got that turbo. I've got this battery still. I was gonna hold on to it for a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and sell that. So if someone's interested, let me know. Shoot me an email or hit me up on Facebook. Usually email is better than Facebook. It's hard to go through all the messages. Got my old Mac valve here, got some extra parts up here too. Now this stuff is for sale, but I like to keep extra stuff. Like these are a ton of AN fittings, just random sizes. Boost controller, just random sensors, wires. You never know what you could do. It's just like this kind of stuff comes in handy. That's why I like having an extra Mac valve now. It's just, if I'm going to be more like a shop, you got to kind of have this stuff ready and raring to go. I got more stuff too. I would like to get more into electrical. Jose has been helping me a lot. I've been organizing all my drawers here. Learning how to ohm stuff out is a big thing too. I'm very fortunate that I have people like Tony, Stan Stagger Media. If it wasn't for people like him who helped me go through this, he's very patient with me. I can get very frustrated with these kind of things, and between him and Jose, they're very patient and help walk me through things because it's not my forte. Organized all the pins and stuff that I have extra. I need to order like a Dorsch connector kit that comes with a bunch of connectors and pins, so I have it. I want to get away from anything that's not a closed barrel style pin too. So anything that uses this style crimper, I want to get away from. I want to use everything that's a closed barrel style. I forget which this closed barrel here does 12 to 20 gauge wire. So that helps me with a ton. I might have to get one that goes a little bit smaller and one that goes a little bit bigger, but for the most part, that'll do pretty much anything I would need. And then I do need a couple other crimpers, but they get expensive. Like Jose wanted to sell me a used one, and it was pretty expensive. The stuff can get salty real quick, but that's part of the game. And another thing would be is keeping wiring. Like here's my extra wiring I have right now. It's just little bits of wire. If I need to extend something, there's rolls in there too. It's just I don't have any good space for that, and I need to utilize it better. I mean, on all seriousness, these drawers are getting full. I just organized this one here to make free space. I got these little blue bins from the dollar store. Believe it or not, they come in like little packs. So I used to, because this was my junk drawer and it was driving me crazy because I couldn't find pens or stuff half the time. I know I'm rambling on now because you just watched the Boost video, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update, let you know how things are going. One thing I do need to get for this though is a handle, because I'm like trying to hold it right now and I'm almost like blocking the speaker. But I hope all's doing well, and there's people commenting about the beard. I want to shave it off, but the wife won't let me. So if you want to see it go, maybe I'll let it grow for a little bit, and then we'll do like a full shave, no goatee, no nothing, just baby face it, because the wife wants me to keep it for right now. Yeah, I appreciate all the support, guys. I know I haven't been posting as much. I've actually, well, this will be third one in a row now. Back to my old schedule, doing Sunday, Thursday, Sunday. So I'm pretty happy about that. That thing's back on full kill. I do want to race with a couple people now, but I also have to watch it. It is a stock block and it is making some serious torque. So you got to watch them rods, and I got to be careful. But I would like to get back up and try racing a few people. Like BB said, like me and him racing now really wouldn't make much sense because we're just on two different playing fields now. But I would like to race some other manual cars. It's just fun. Like, and it's just like someone was saying the other day, well, you lost this race and that one. I'm like, I did, but I don't care about like racing someone and losing. It doesn't hurt my feelings. And if that looks bad in the community, I guess, sorry, but I do it as fun. Like, it doesn't matter to me if I lose a race. I go out screaming, having a good time. So it is what it is. All right, guys, again, on that note, thank you very much for tuning in. Go down below, check out the merchandise. I got all this stuff down there, Facebook, Instagram. You know what to do. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.